A couple of weeks ago I posted my latest build, the abandoned boat. I honestly wasn't satisfied on how this turned out, so I decided to give it another try and change the paint job. My hope is that it will fit better into the diorama, which I am currently building. So let's see how this turns out. But before we start, we want to celebrate the first 100 subscribers on this channel. Thank you so much for your support. You're awesome. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and never miss a new video again. Let's start with the repainting. First I create a base layer over the previous paint job using a brownish color tone that looks similar to dark rust. I use a brush this time, because this will give the paint a more textured look. I slowly build different layers of dark rust and brownish colors and try to place the streaks randomly all over the place. Next I wash the boat using 2 different rust washes. These washes have an acrylic base, so no need to varnish before applying them. Let's get messy. I add random streaks of medium and light rust using a medium brush. A small sponge will help to create a more random look. I'll add chipping fluid at this stage in 2 thin layers. This fluid allows me to add another coat later on, which can be chipped easily. Well, at least I hope so. Some of you might know this technique using simply hairspray, but I like to try the chipping fluid on this model. The chipping fluid needs to dry for around 30 minutes before the main coat can be applied. After 30 minutes of drying time, it's time for the main coat. I apply it as uneven as possible, so that some rust is still shining through the green main color. I start scratching away the main coat using a hard brush and some good old HO2. It's important to do not put too much pressure onto the model, otherwise all color including the primer will come off. That takes some time and patience, but it's worth at the end. After I finished scratching away the green color, I add some chipping using a sponge and more light green tone. I add some larger chipping areas using a small round brush. I wasn't so satisfied by how the deck of the bow, or however this place is called, looked like, so I painted again with some of the rust colors I've shown previously. I painted the outlines of the holes with a bit of metal color. This will hopefully help to let them look more natural. I wash the whole model again with acrylic rust washes. I use a glossy varnish to protect the colors and prepare the model for streaks using oil paints. Well, there is nothing visible. But hey, you probably know what I mean. I am applying streaks using medium-sized brush and rust oil colors. After they have dried for around 24 hours, I apply a matte varnish on the model to protect it and give it its final look. The colors get some variation by applying a lighter rust oil color. That's all for now. Here is the final result. I've to admit, it's still not there where I wanted originally. But at least it looks more realistic now and will find its honorable place in my post-apocalyptic diorama. Here is a preview of my next video, where I show you how I build the base for the diorama. I also set up an Instagram account, where I post regular updates of my current project. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to support me. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.